I'm preparing this video to explaining how this apps works. First of all, I'm sorry for my accent, or probably it will be difficult for you to understand. So I'll try to speak slowly. Let's start. So when user login, they just landing in this admin panel, I mean dashboard, and I already edit or add something, so there might be little difference, like user can see 0 in here and maybe no, not ready here, offline here. Otherwise user will see almost similar dashboard. Okay, so and our I already update some things like Facebook and WhatsApp and some other things that is not live yet, so you might not see this dashboard because this is a test environment. But in our live dashboard will be similar. Okay, you can see already. So then user can let me start from the beginning. A complete new user who just sign up for trial account, and that user will land here. Now the user can create a couple of things, like user can create a bot, but a bot is not individually works. User then need to connect that bot with any of these items, like Facebook page or WhatsApp or Telegram bot or website. Okay, and as a free trial user, as a free user, a user can only connect one channel with some message limitation and something else. So but so he does not need explicitly select any channel, but when he just finished one channel configuration, then uh, he will not notice anything until he try to configure a second one. Okay, so suppose one channel is okay for him, then and our free trial limitation is okay for an user, he will not eventually subscribe. That is the core idea for you, free user and subscriber. Then at some point he will hit the limitation, and if he find this application useful for him, working good, or give him some extra benefits, like make business easy, and you know what the main purpose, so then he will proceed for subscription. So that is the idea. Okay, so a new user will need to create a bot. So let's suppose I have a bot here already, and let me check what I did earlier. So this bot, okay, so I already entered this bot with website. Okay, so I already configured a website channel with this, with one of my website for testing. Okay, so let's see what happened if we want to add Telegram. What it will say. Okay, channel limit tricks, max 1 for bot. Okay, take some note. 1 minute. Okay, so this UI will change, and I will update this one. Okay, so user can easily subscribe or proceed to subscription funnel. Okay, now suppose I already subscribe website. Let me check website configuration, or even we can directly go here. Same thing happen. Like this one, same place, we are website wizard, and here let me see what we see. Our okay, collect lead. It is, this bot is connected with another flow, that is collect lead. Let me check, open bot setting. Okay, so okay, I'm sorry, I probably make this things complicated for you, or even sometimes it will be complicated for user, but we need to properly update and maintain the documentation. Okay, that's the other thing. So a user will have a bot. That bot can follow different conversation flow, and we can see the flow here. say show you. So this collect lead flow actually collect user information, like it send if the message for starts, this message, thanks for reaching out, we can blah blah blah. Then it asks for a, let me say this one, what's your full name. Then it asks for email address, then phone number, and then what service or how can we help, and what is his budget, etc. Then he once in, he then say perfect, your details are captured and our team will follow up shortly. Okay, so that this is just one sample flow. So a user can create a lot of flows, that's it kind of unlimited flow, that's not the problem. And he can configure each flow with another flow. It's a, okay. I'm sorry, I'm still making the complicated, but the main idea, he has one bot, that bot can follow instruction based on this follow, I mean flows. Okay, so let me see my test plot. Sorry. And this bot is not configured with entry flow. So that is the first one, like when if user first time anti flow, no, it's like enable anti flow edit. Okay, sorry, this is edit, and anti flow maybe like, okay, so that's it. Already warning goes, and okay, this is green already, and that's it. Remind you, a user when create this account, he will have to create a bot, then his need to configure a flows or a couple of flows, then he will need to configure any channel. Okay, then once his user or class his customer start sending message with either chatbot or with either his Facebook page or WhatsApp or Telegram, then that conversation will saved or displaying here in this. In this one we can see we have three conversation, like we can see Telegram one, I check with this one. Okay, let me send a message. Oh, again this already bought paused, so now that this will not send any automatic message. So let me check or test with our Telegram account. Suppose I am sending here like hi. You can see this one already, when I send from my Telegram, it will already automatically send a message, thanks, please leave your question. Now I use what is the best product. Okay, I send a message. Okay, our live server will be more flexible, but in my local server it's kind of slow. So you can see I send a message in Telegram. I'm talking about my from my phone, and it will display like that. Okay, so this is how user can communicate with their clients. and this lead actually not what I can satisfied our lead qualification, so this lead is not uh, added here, but once everything qualified, lead will added here. Okay, so I prefer to stop here because it's already so long video, and